Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Salia Hasanah. In this video, I will present a drama titled The Proposal written by Anton Chekhov. I chose this one a play because the author is simple and a comedy on the surface. It actually reveals different themes about the praise, human nature, and the social expectation in the 19th century Russia. Okay, start to introduction. The proposal is one act phrase written by Anton Chekhov, first published in the 1890 and set in rural Russia, highlight the trivial preoccupations of the upper class. Main character is Ivan Lomov, Natalia Stepanova, and Stefan Chubukov. Okay, next part is a plot structure. Okay, let me explain the plot structure of the proposal. Okay, number one is exposition. Ivan Lomov visits the neighbor, Chubukov, is a proposed marriage to his daughter, Natalia. Okay. Number two is a recent actions. Before the proposing, Lomov gets into agreement with Natalia about land ownership. And then number three is a climax. The heated agreement clashes and the Lomov collapses from stress and the health conditions. And then number four, filing actions. Chibukov reveals Lomov's real intention was a marriage proposal. Natalia panics and demands his broke back. Okay, the last is resolution. Lomov returns and the couple finally agree to marry, only to start agreeing again over whose dog is better. Okay, next part is a conflict. Okay, there are both internal and external conflict in the play. Okay, first is internal conflict. Lomov struggle with anxiety, health issue, and the nervousness about the proposing. And in the external conflict, the most obvious in the absurd quarrel between the Lomov and the Natalia, first about the land and then about their dog. Okay, this shows how petty pride and the miscommunications and can ruin relationship. For example, instead of proposing, Lomov shouted, "Oxen meadows are mine," and then Natalia replies, "Ours, ours." Okay, next part is the character. There are three main characters: Ivan Valerievich Lomov, Natalia Stepanova, and Stefan Stepanovich Chubukov. Okay, first is Lomov. She is a nervous, hypochondriac landowner who wants to marry Natalia, but is easily triggered and argumentative. And Natalia, a 25-old woman, energetic, proud, and quick to agree, even with the proposing to her. Okay, the last is Chubukov, Natalia's father, and the opportunities will support in the marriage for convictions but also gets caught up in the arguments. Okay, each character a personality falls in a cause. For instance, Natalia is so offended by the land debates and the and that she forgets in the proportional interlude. Next part is themes. Okay, the drama explores several themes. A marriage as a social contract. Okay, Lomos seek a marriage not out of love, but duty and the practicality. And pride and absurdity. And the character argue over trivial matters like lights and dogs, reflecting how the pride and the upper power reasons. Okay, in the social satire, Chekhov mocked the upper class obsessions with the status and the property, even in the matter of love. Okay, next part is a main issue. Okay, The main issue in the drama is how pride and the materialism overshadow genuine human connections. Lomov and Natalia could have shared a peaceful relationship, but they keep running moments with the pretty devils. Another issue is the lack of emotional maturity. Each character avoids a real complication in favor of argument. In the show, when Lomov say, uh, "If I've given myself time to think, then I never get married." Okay, next is reflection and the conclusions. Okay, personally, I what absorbed me in how the ridiculous and the funny human behavior can be, especially when the pride is involved. The fact that a marriage proposal and the repeat shouting match show how fragile and the comic relationship it can be. Okay, in conclusion, the proposal may be short play, but it's offer big insight about love, ego, and the human absurdity. I think okay. Okay. Okay guys. Thank you for watching and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.